I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I'm answering your question. This one comes from Faith, and she has a course idea, and it's creating a first aid course for moms from a mom. And she's saying that she's going to include content like how to spot ear infections, hand, foot, and mouth, how long should a child have a fever before you take them to the doctor, and she's going to sit down with her doctor and have like real doctor's advice within it. And she's asking, would this be a good course? Should it be an ebook? Or is it not a good idea? And here's the thing, I can't tell you if it's going to be a good idea or not. You have to do market research to figure out if your people think it's a good idea or not. I have an entire blog post all about how to do market research, so just Google Rachel and Ngom market research, you'll find it. That's really where you have to start when you have any idea for a course, a product, a service, or anything like that. You have to do the market research. So something I see all the time, people are creating this course and they're spending time creating stuff that nobody buys because they didn't do the market research ahead of time. You have to ask your people what it is that they want. So Faith, when you're coming out with the course, you could put in here everything that they tell you that they need. And so you've got to ask them a really good book that you can read all about market research in this. It's called Ask by Ryan Levesque. You can get it on Amazon. But with everything that I do, I literally ask my audience, what do you think about this cover? What do you think about the title? What else do you want to see inside? So that they're helping me create my product from start to finish. And when it's launched, they know it's everything that they need to get results. So market research, you gotta ask your people. If you don't know where your people are, I'm sure there's a Facebook group with people in there. You could do some kind of survey or something and offer a gift card or a freebie or something so you can get to know your people a little bit better. So check out the blog post, get Ryan's book, and I'll talk to you later.